Hello my friends, how are you? I wish you health and wellness always. I am pleased to present to you a video containing 3D drawing. I hope you like it. Watch, enjoy and learn what increases your experience and skills. To draw a 3D heart protruding outward using a pencil and white paper, you can follow these steps. 1. Draw a basic heart shape using pencil. Start by drawing a semicircle on the top of the paper. Then draw another semicircle next to it, intersecting the first. This will be the whisper of the heart. 2. Continue drawing half a straight line from the heart using a black ink pen. Then we draw some of the tree veins in a simple way, starting from the upper side of the heart and sloping downward. 3. Use the light orange pencil to color the inside of the heart and give it depth. Shade the inner bottom part of the heart and the inner top part slightly. 5. Now you can use colors to color the heart. You can use red and pink colors to color the outside of the heart and dark colors to shade the inside parts. 6. Enjoy adjusting the shadow and lighting to your preference to add realism to the 3D heart. 7. Select other details you want to add to the drawing, such as additional shadows, text, or textures. 8. This was a beautiful and amazing work. Try it for yourself. I wish you a fun and creative drawing of a 3D heart. I hope you liked it. I am pleased with your interest in joining my channel to watch many educational videos. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications button. Naturally, here is a way to draw two arms with a 3D heart inside using a pencil and white paper. 1. Draw the shape of the arms on the paper. Start by drawing a straight line up for the first arm. Then draw another line at a slight angle to form the elbow. Next, draw a straight line for the upper part of the second arm, then draw another line to form the elbow. 2. At the end of the arms, trace the beginning of the heart shape by drawing a small semicircle on each end. Make sure the two halves overlap slightly in the center of the image. 3. Continue drawing the heart by drawing diagonal lines from the upper and lower halves of the heart outward. These lines should be parallel and meet at the upper center point of the heart. 4. Use the pencil to shade the arms and heart and give them depth. Shade the lower part of the arms and the inner part of the heart in a brighter and darker way. Then color this shape with orange and red, until we get the color we want. 6. You can also add additional details to embellish the drawing, such as vein details on the arms or small patterns on the heart. This method allows you to draw two arms with a 3D heart inside them using a pencil and white paper. Be sure to practice and experiment to develop your artistic skills and improve your own style of 3D drawing. Enjoy the drawing process and feel free to express your personal creativity. I promise to provide you with amazing and innovative artistic content. I will work hard to meet your expectations and deliver 3D graphics and designs that will amaze and inspire you. Thank you very much in advance for your support and encouragement. You mean a lot to me, and I know I can count on your support on this journey.